Article 21, right to life. It means basically 4 points. Point number one, it is not a mere right to live as an animal existence, but rather it talks more about quality of life. Point number two, it means that we have the fullest opportunity to develop our personality and to develop our potentiality to the highest possible level. Point number three, it means that we have the right to live decently as a member of the society. Fourth and important point, this right further implies that it shall be the duty of the state to provide a reasonable standard of comfort as well as decency. So, right to life basically implies four main points. Point number one. Point number one. It implies that it is not right to life implies that it is not just a continuation of life to live with an animal existence. It rather implies more quality of life. So, right to life implies quality of life and not mere existence of animal, or let's say of an animal being. Point number two, the right to life gives the citizens the fullest opportunity to develop the personality and potential to reach the highest possible level. This is an opportunity to develop personality and potentiality to the highest possible level. Point number three, it means that we have the right to live decently as a member of civilized society. Right to live decently as a member of society. Fourth and the most important point, this right implies that we have a reasonable standard of comfort and decency. This right implies that we have a reasonable that we the citizens have a reasonable standard of comfort and decency. Have a reasonable standard of comfort and decency. Reasonable standard of comfort and decency. So, when you talk about right to life implies four main points. First one, it is quality of life rather mere existence. Point number two, it is opportunity to develop personality and potentiality. Point number three, it's the right to live decently as a member of society. And point number four, the right implies that we as citizens have a reasonable standard of comfort and decency. So that's it with Article 27. Article 21. Now let us discuss the various rights which are inferred to the citizens by the Constitution of India. So next topic will be rights under Article 21, that is right to life for the Supreme Court of India.